Hi pals, John here with the LensPal, and today we're going to take a look at the Saramonic Blink500 Pros. It seems like everybody these days is coming out with a digital wireless transmission audio system, whether it is the Rode Wireless Go 2 system, DJI with whatever their thing's called, Hollyland, but one of the first ones on the market was actually these little guys, the Saramonic these ones are the Blink500 Pros, and we just recently got them in, so we figured we'd do a little video for you guys. They're functionally very, very similar to, say, the Wireless Goes, in that you can clip this on, it has a microphone built right into it, just like this one right here, in fact, and it will wirelessly transmit back to the receiver, which will be plugged into your camera. They can also take, they have a mic/line in, so whether you have a lavalier or a shotgun mic with a 3.5mm output on it, then you can adapt any of those and turn them into wireless systems. It's pretty sweet in that respect. But a couple of things make these different from the Rode Wireless Goes, even the Wireless Go 2s. The receiver has a screen on it, much like the Rode's, where it can tell you the battery level, the signal strength, all of that of not only the receiver itself, but also the transmitters. But that's almost a little bit redundant because the transmitters themselves also have a screen on them. And that screen will tell you battery strength, wireless strength, and it also has a waveform on there so you can see it right there on the transmitter without having to jump back into the camera. Now, that's not to say we don't recommend checking your audio levels, because obviously things go wrong, so it's definitely worth doing that, but it's a nice little step there. One of the other nice features about this is the receiver has a headphone jack right in the top of it, so you can actually plug your headphones in there if you're having any issues, and you can eliminate whether the receiver or the connection between the two is where the problem is coming from. So that's a nice little touch that I really appreciate. So that's on the receiver with the headphone jack. And perhaps one of the nicest things about this whole setup is this little case that it comes in. Not because the case itself is particularly fantastic, but the receiver and the transmitters will magnet into here, and you'll notice that there's two transmitters and one receiver, and they will actually charge through this case. This case has an amount of battery built into it, so it will charge them even if you are away from your power source, which is kind of nice. So it's a 3000 milliamp hour battery, otherwise known as a 3 amp hour battery, and yeah, so it's a pretty decent size and will keep your guys going and going. Not to say that you need to necessarily charge them in the field, because the battery lasts for about 8 hours on each one of these, and they have like a 300-foot range. But it is nice to know that you can just pop them back in here and they will charge up. Now, this itself charges via USB-C. Just plug it in right here and it will top itself up, as well as topping up the wireless components inside. Ours is the B2 kit, which means that they are colored black and that there are two transmitters, so you can quite happily mic up two people on your set. Now, we have two of these kits available as well, so if you needed to mic up even more people, absolutely fantastic. Our kit also comes with two lavaliers, some dead cats to clip on the wireless transmitters, as well as all the cables you might need to charge, hook it up to cameras, all of that good stuff. So, Saramonic Blink500 Pro B2 kit, available right now on our website, thelenspal.com. If you have enjoyed this video, if you found it helpful or informative, or you just like the sound that we've been getting as we've been using these for the last few videos, please consider giving us a like, subscribe, share, thumbs up, tell a friend, smash a bell, and yeah, until next time. you'll hear me soon.